I'm starting a brand new memory project where I'm trying to create a two-card memory system. Now, the reason I'm doing a two-card system is because it should help me memorize faster, but the system I'm going to try to create actually has 1,352 images. Now, why does that matter? Because I want to have a three-digit system as well. I could go to a binary system, and even for historical dates, I could even do something there. And so with a three-digit system, you have 1,000 images, okay? Binary, I think it's maybe around that or a little bit less. I'm not sure because I haven't looked into the binary system. But if my card system takes 1,352 images, I can reuse those images for my number system, for my binary system. So that's why I'm going to create it. Now, this project is pretty straightforward in the sense that essentially I have to create 1,352 images, memorize them, and then I can just start, memorizing cards and so on. But from creating old systems, the biggest system I ever created just had I guess 300 parts to it, my PAO, okay? And so this is going to be a lot more. And so I know some issues I might run into, other ones I have no clue, and it's going to be a real surprise. And so I'm going to show the whole process of things I run into, how I'm trying to create it, why I'm going this way, why this failed, maybe change some of the coding to the system. Because right now, the system I'm going to be using is the shadow system. And the reason for that is because a regular two-carded system has 2,704 images. The shadow system cuts that in half. So only 1,352 images. So like spade, heart, they both have the same coding. Because the image could be exact same for those specific combinations, okay? But the base of the system is the major system, so 0 is going to be SZ, 1 TD, and so on. But you can see how this major system goes to the actual suit combinations, and then further it goes on to explain how you actually create the full image for the combination of cards. So right now, I read through it. I understand some parts, other parts are kind of fuzzy, but I'll explain more of the system in another video, probably the next video, because I actually want to go out and start to create the system to see if I understand it and if it makes sense to me. So I'll actually start going through this stuff and creating my images to see if it makes sense. Because if I understand fully, I'm like, okay, this does make sense, I'm probably going to go with this system. Then I'll explain the system fully so you understand what's going on with it. Because it doesn't make sense for me to explain something to you I don't fully understand to begin with. But I'm really excited and always wanted to create a bigger system like a three-digit number system and a two-carded system. But it seemed like so much work. But hey, why not show you the whole process, explain everything that's going to be going on, how I'm going to be failing, how I'm going to hate my life when I can't find an image that fits that specific code. So I'm really excited for this project, and hopefully you are too.